welcome back. Today's video is a haul video. I again went for shopping. Woohoo! And I bought a few stuffs which I would like to show it to you guys, so let's get started. So I recently went to Parcos and got some Rimmel lipsticks from there. The first thing what I got from there is a lipstick from Rimmel. It's from their Kate Moss collection, which looks like this. It retails for 275 rupees. It's in the shade number 20. It looks like this. It's a beautiful pink shade. It's what I'm wearing right now. It's a very nice baby pink kind of a color. It's gorgeous. It's gonna complement any skin tone, so I really like it. So this is the first thing what I got. This is how number 20 looks like. Beautiful. It's really good. The second lipstick what I got from Rimmel is called Cutting Edge. It's in the number 120. It looks like this. It's a gorgeous purple shade which is perfect for fall season. So I'll just slightly swatch it for you guys. This is how the swatch looks like. Very gorgeous shade. So the next lipstick what I got from Rimmel is in the shade number 22. Again, this is from the Kate Moss collection. It's a gorgeous red, deep red color, which looks like this. This is how the swatch looks like. Love it. So I've been trying to find Rimmel lipsticks online, but I used to go to Nykaa. It was there on Nykaa.com, but I never could find it because it was always out of stock. So I went to Parcos and got it. So I was quite happy to know that it's available here. So again, I was looking out for this Rimmel Apocalypse. I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I hope that's right. So I bought two lip lacquers from their range. So the first one is in the shade Big Bang number 400. This is how Big Bang looks like. It's a gorgeous orangey kind of a red color. I hope you guys can see it. It's a beautiful color. This lipstick can glam up any look. So if you're planning for a night out, or if you're planning to if you're on the lookout for a red lipstick, this is really gorgeous. It retails for around 499 rupees. So the next shade what I got from the same range is called Stella, which is in the number 501 coral shade. This is how it looks like. It's a beautiful coral peach kind of a color. It's really gorgeous. So the next thing what I got is a lipstick from the Maybelline Color Sensational. It's in the shade Fuchsia Crystal number 994. So this is how fuchsia looks like. It is somewhat similar to this color, but this is a little darker fuchsia kind of a color. It's perfect for fall season, so I really love it. So the next thing what I got is an eyeshadow palette from the brand Miss Rose. It says 3D Silky Eyeshadow. So this is how it looks like. I got this actually from a local makeup store of mine, where you get all the small accessories like bobby pins and stuff like that. So I really love the color range. They have like around 4 to 5 different palettes. I really love this color range and it's beautiful. And I recently used this, and the pigmentation is amazing. It's very creamy, and the color payoff is awesome. So I really like it. It's really inexpensive. I got it for 190 rupees. It's not branded, it's just a normal local brand, but I really love how it looked like. So I'll just swatch it for you guys. This is how the swatch looks like. Just one swipe is so pigmented, and the colors are really beautiful. This is how it looks like. See guys, it's just one swipe and it's so pigmented and so creamy, and I just really like it. So they have like different varieties, like in the peach and the golden. So I'm really gonna get the other colors as well because I really love it. So if you guys can find this in your local drugstore or local stores, please go get it. It's really good. So the next thing what I got is again from the same store. It's a non-branded item. It's called Rivel Super Blendable Blush. It's called the Rivel Super Blendable Blush. I've got it in 2 shades. This is a very beautiful dusty rose kind of a pink color. Looks like this. And this is a very orangey kind of a red color. It's really gorgeous. Again, they do not have any shade names as such. So this one is in the number 04 and this one is in the number 03. Again, these are highly pigmented. I'll just show you how these look like. So these are the blushes. I really love it. It's really beautiful. So the next thing what I got is a concealer from Maybelline. I've been wanting this concealer for a very long time. I could not find it anywhere, so I got it from Snapdeal. So it's the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Dark Circles Remover. It looks like this. I bought it in the shade Light. So I'm really excited for this one because I've heard a lot of YouTubers raving about it. So I'm really excited for this. So the next thing what I got is a lipstick from Melon Perfect Lipstick. I hope I pronounce it right. Melon, I'm not sure. It's in the shade number 26. It looks like that. Again, it's a beautiful dark pink kind of a color. This is how it looks like. It's really gorgeous. And the next thing what I got is a lipstick from the Lakme 9 to 5 range. It's in the shade Saffron Gossip. It looks like this. It's a beautiful orange color. Really gorgeous. Lately I've been to a lot of pinks and reds and burgundies, but I stopped wearing orange for a while, so I thought it's high time I get an orange lipstick, so I got this. The next thing what I got is a face wash from Pond's. It's called the Pond's White Beauty Pearl Cleansing Gel. It looks like this. I really love the pack. The packaging is very pretty. It's pink, so I really like it. And it's a see-through packaging wherein you can see the bubbles inside, so it's really pretty. I can't wait to use it. So the next thing what I got is a face wash from the brand Organic Harvest. It's the Organic Skin Lightening Face Wash. Looks like this. I've already used it once or twice and I quite like it, and I've already included this in my September favorites. So yeah, what I got is a body wash from Skilla. It's called the Antioxidant Shower Cream with Strawberry Extract. Looks like this. It smells exactly like strawberries, and I love anything which has to do, as you guys know, I love anything which smells fruity and floral, so I picked it up. So yeah. So the next thing what I got is a translucent powder from Stars. So I've seen a lot of YouTubers, baking with the translucent powder and setting their under eyes, and it gives like a flawless finish and it looks absolutely amazing. So I thought I'll just buy this and see. It's in the shade Yellow Pearl. It looks like this. So the next thing what I got is a nail paint from the brand Studio West. It's in the shade Sobo Chic. Looks like this. It's a beautiful dark green nail paint, which is amazing. I really like Studio West products, what they've come up. They have got gorgeous nail paints and they've got really nice lip colors and everything. So can't wait to check out, more from this brand. Next thing what I got is from the Body Shop. So my haul is always incomplete without anything from Body Shop. So I got this Body Shop Fuji green tea. which looks like this. I really wanted to try their green tea range from the time it's been launched, so I thought I'll start with the body butter, so I had got this. So it smells really refreshing and nice, so yeah. So the next thing what I got is sunglasses, which I got from Claire's. So I have been obsessed with this lately and I've been wearing this a lot. So this is how it looks like. I've already shown this in my September favorites. I really love how it looks like and the detailing of the frame, so I really like it. So I got a few things from Forever 21 as well. I got this beautiful neck piece, layered neck piece from Forever 21, which looks like this. This is so gorgeous, guys. I really liked it. If you pair it up with a plain black t-shirt or a plain black top, it's gonna look amazing. So I really love this. I think it's gorgeous. So the next thing what I got from Forever 21 is a pair of boots, which looks like this. It looks so gorgeous and I am absolutely in love with these shoes. I have never got anything like this in my shoe collection. I never wore boots, so I thought I'll get these beauties. It's really nice. I really like the detailing going on in these boots. So these are really comfortable to wear. There were many boots with high heels, but I'm not too comfortable with high heels. I do wear them once in a while going for parties and stuff, but these I felt it's very comfortable and didn't have much heels, so I really love these beauties. Next thing what I got is a chocolate from Dairy Milk. So I have heard many things about bubbly. I am not a big fan of Dairy Milk chocolates. I like more of Kinder Buenos and Toblerones and stuff like that. So my friends, they suggested that this is quite nice and I bought this chocolate. So let's see how it fares for me. And then I got two nail paints from Health and Glow, which looks like this. This one is in the shade Soft Pink. It's a very nice, beautiful baby pink color. And this is in the shade Earth. It's again a gorgeous earthy color. And then I got few lipsticks from Color Bar. The first lipstick I got is Nude Coral, which looks like this. It's an absolutely amazing nude color which has some peachy undertones in it. This is how it looks like. It's beautiful everyday kind of shade. If you are on the lookout for a nice nude color for Indian skin tones, I think this is amazing. So yeah, it looks like. It's kind of like those Kylie Jenner kind of lipstick, which is more on the brownie nude side. So yeah, if you're looking out for a lipstick which kind of looks like Kylie Jenner lipstick, I think this is great. This is called Bear from Color. So the next lipstick what I got is from the Color Bar Kiss Proof Lip Stain range. This is how it looks like. Whoa, I really love this shade. It's a gorgeous brownie, chocolatey kind of a shade. It's really good. So that's it for the haul what I have recently purchased. So I had gone to Studio West and many other places and shopped a little more. So I thought this video is going to be very long, so I am going to again film 2-3 haul videos so that the video doesn't get too long. I'll be showing you guys what all I got, so I have more haul videos to come, so stay tuned for that. So I really hope you guys like this haul video, and if you really liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. It would mean a lot to me, and I'm really thankful to you guys for supporting me so much and leaving great comments and subscribing to me. It means a lot to me. Next time, bye guys.